So SymphonyAI uses a combination of rule-based system as well as predictive AI, and then overlays that with what we see in the generative AI side to bring it more to a holistic sort of view of what you can see from an end-to-end perspective. The rules-based logic is very much one that's known. It's trusted by everybody. The regulators understand it. What creates a little bit of concern and perhaps tension is, should they move away from that? And I think our initial position is, let's stick with what we know and look at how we continue to enrich that particular process. I think as you look at the evolution of different technologies over time, certain things sort of fade away over time. And I think as we go through, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years down the line from now, I think we'll start to see a smaller set of what those rule-based logic is. But what we'll start to see is where the predictive AI is helping us to fine-tune what those rules are, and therefore it becomes part of the predictive modelling suite that gets put into operation and continually fine-tuned. If we then take the components around generative AI, our co-pilots, they sit there and help to enrich what we're already doing and elevate the different pieces of data to make that AI function even better over time. Interaction with our co-pilot is actually very simple. It uses natural language, so it's literally just like typing in a text. And that's sort of the beauty of it. It can understand, and it is specialised in what financial crime is. So we're not talking about understanding everything that could possibly be out on the internet. It understands the 22 predicate offences. It understands what type of information you want to be able to pull back. And in addition to that, we're able to actually code large action models off the back of it. So it's able to prompt in terms of what should you look for next? How can it help you to actually achieve what you're trying to get to, and help create a standardized sort of approach across the many investigators that sit across a level 1 and a level 2 investigation unit. So our co-pilots are specialized because they are trained specifically for banking institutions, financial crime typologies. What that means is it understands what it means to look at a particular genre of a crime, whether that's say a money mule account, or if that's rapid movement of funds that could indicate sort of cross-border movements of money. It could be something around human trafficking, conditions that we see around that. There's a lot of patterns that sit within the data that we're actually able to analyse and bring forward to that investigator, so they see a lot of that in one go.